Did you have a similar experience or anything that you'd like to comment there as far as solo work versus teamwork throughout your career?
Yeah, I mean, very early on in my career, I did a lot of solo assignments, especially whenever I was working in Belfast. I would be traveling to various client premises on my own. I'd have to get in the car, and it was interesting times because that was the times before Google Maps and Waze. So I'd have to almost pre-plan my journey out, looking at an old school map and hope that I got there safe and sound. And doing a lot of the work myself. But I think one of the things that really does help you with you learn to be a self-starter,
Yeah.
and it doesn't mean to say that you're not a team player, but you just learn how to get on with things whenever there's no one else
Mhm.
around you, and you have to
Yeah.
solutionize and find the results you're by yourself, not just turning around and saying, "Can someone else help me out here? I'm stuck."
Mhm.
But you always had that, a thing in a professional service firm as part of
Yeah.
their wider team.
Yeah, I can relate to that. I remember my first turn at IBM. I was with their global service professional services, and my manager saying was always, we parachute you in and you have to shoot your way out.